I want to ask Georgi also about this Russian blogger. This is popular. It's viral video in Philippine internet. Did you watch video from a Russian YouTuber who in the jail right now in Manila?
I watched his video several years ago. I don't know what he did in Philippines. I did not watch, but I know he is in jail. Several years ago, I watched his video from Miami because he lives in Florida.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, he's Russian, but he lives in USA already. What I think? It's he was in jail in many different countries already. So if he continued to do this, it's his problem. I don't know why he did this. Maybe because he need many subscribers on YouTube. And for what? I don't know.
But already 10 million.
But it's maybe dangerous because if he go to prison for something, maybe dangerous.
He will teach Tagalog, Georgi, in Philippine prison.
Maybe he already don't know how to speak Russian because he live in USA since I don't remember, maybe 12 years old. Well, when he
more years, because he was born in Murmansk.
Yes,
and going to with family to Ukraine.
When he was 12 years old, he moved to USA.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so maybe he don't speak Russian anymore. I don't know. But I remember him because I watched his video many years ago from Miami. So I did not know he is Russian. But now, because of this happens in Philippines, I know. I remember him. Yes.
Okay, Georgi. Okay, thank you.
Hey everyone, I know a lot of you have already seen the videos of that Russian prankster causing trouble in Manila. Pretty much every vlogger has reacted to it already. Honestly, I didn't want to jump on the hype train, but after reading through some of the comments, I felt like I needed to clear a few things up. I'm also Russian, but I haven't lived in Russia for a long time. So I want to talk about this situation from a more informed perspective. First off, about the prankster himself. He probably barely even speaks Russian anymore. He left Russia, moved to Ukraine, where he got a Ukrainian passport, and then relocated to the US. So he's holding at least 3 citizenships. I've seen some pretty ridiculous comments saying he should be deported to Russia and that Putin would send him to war. But think about it, he's also American and Ukrainian. So which country exactly are people expecting him to fight for? Also, just to clarify, in Russia, people go to war voluntarily, under contract, and they get paid. In Ukraine, men are literally being pulled off the streets for mobilization. But this post isn't about the war. Let's stay on topic. Vitaly, the prankster, hadn't posted on YouTube for 3 years because he was serving time in prison in Florida. Now he's back, landed in Manila, stayed in an upscale area, and started filming pranks again. What he didn't realize is that you can't just film inside establishments without permission. Some malls here have strict no filming policies. I know this from experience. Shara and I were filming in a mall here last year, and even we had to ask for permission. Thankfully, they allowed it because we were just doing a restaurant review. If you ask nicely and explain your purpose, you'll usually get the green light. But filming without permission is never a good idea. On public streets, it's usually fine, but private property is a different story. This isn't the first time he's had problems. He's already been deported from several countries and is banned from every major stadium in the world. If you watch his pranks closely, there's this energy that feels chaotic, like he's chasing shock value without considering the consequences. Honestly, I think the guy needs professional help. But here's the real issue. He doesn't understand Filipino culture. Yes, Filipinos love to laugh and have fun, but not like that and not in those places. What he did was seen as disrespectful, and honestly, it would be considered disrespectful in many other countries too. If he had gone to a barangay and done something wholesome, like handing out food or money while adding a light, fun twist, the locals probably would have joined in and enjoyed it. That's the kind of content people here appreciate. Instead, he's now facing legal trouble. He's looking at court proceedings, fines, compensation to the security guard, and most likely deportation. And no, it won't be to Russia, but back to the US, where he actually lives. Let me know what you think in the comments, but please take a moment to understand the full story before jumping to conclusions.
Shangri-La po, nasan?
Yes, boss.
Shangri-La?
So, bro, I know where we are.
Okay. Need,
Don't you want to scam me?